Want to change your WhatsApp profile picture? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can change your WhatsApp profile picture. First of all, you want to launch Open WhatsApp on your device. Now tap on the three dots at the top right corner. From here, select Settings. Now you want to tap on your username. Here you have the option of Edit. Tap on that. Now for profile picture, you can select camera, gallery or avatar. If you want to upload a picture from your gallery, simply select gallery. Now from gallery, you want to select the profile picture that you want to put. Now you can crop it as you want. After that, tap on the done option. And as you can see, the profile picture has been successfully changed, and that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.